Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful and so easy 3D granny triangle shawl. It's like usual granny shawl, but only between the corners we make our doubles different place. We make our doubles previous rows, last double from behind this space. I give all the details in the video. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. My yarn is too little. I want to show you a sample, not make big shawl. But if I made that, I will make a different project with that pattern. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful 3D granny triangle shawl. Let's start crochet. I use Nako Vals. It's 100 grams is equal to 240 meters. You can use like that yarns or which you want, and I use with that yarn 3.5 millimeter hook. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Turn back and insert into the first chain and join two sides together with slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over, insert into that little hole, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, we pull off 3 times. Yarn over only 1 time. Insert that hole, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 3 double crochet, but double crochet, maxi crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Yarn over, insert that hole again and make here again 3 big double. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. We will make like that 3 double crochet. If it comes so hard for you, make your doubles pull through 3 times, you can make loosey double crochets. Okay, you will make 6 groups. 1, 2, I will make 3 in the same hole. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. I add here 3 groups more. You can see here I make here 6 groups. My yarn's lighter part comes, sorry for that. I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups. They have 3 big double crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work and make here slip stitches. 1, 2 and 3 slip stitches and come to first chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Count as your first stitch. We will increase our shawl from the beginning part, from the middle and from the finishing part. First space, middle space, last space, and this is my first corner, and complete here 3 big double, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. yarn over, make here in the same space 3 more double crochet. This is my first corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always you will make your 4 chains. Now usually we make our 3 double this chain 4 space, but we want to make here 3D effect. So I will make my doubles the second group's last double. Hold it like that and find the last double. Okay, like that. Hold it like and take this last stitch and make your 3 double on it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And come to middle space and make my corner usual. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, make 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. This is my middle corner. Now again make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want my 3D effect. Only make usual corners from the first space, middle space and the last space. Okay, all the others are with 3D effect. So not make usual. You will make your doubles on the last, the third, look at that, third stitch. So hold it like that and insert your hook behind of that chain 4 from last stitch. Look at here, like that. And make here 1, 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, come to last space and make here your last corner. 3 double, chain 4 and 3 double. Only one row repeating. You will repeat it all the rounds. I will show you one more time and it's so simple. You will repeat this second row always. We make first space, middle space and the last space are usual corners. Between of them make your 3D effect. You can see that. Again, chain 1 and turn. Always do the same thing. And make here 3 slip stitches. 1, 2, come to first space and make your usual corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Count your as first stitch. Yarn over. 2, yarn over. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make here 3 more double. 1, 2, and 3. Make my first corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. We will make here 3D effect, so I need to make my 3 double on that, but not like that. I will insert my hook behind of that chain 4. So hold it like that for easy handle. Insert my hook last stitch and make here 3 big double crochet or loosey usual double crochet. It's your choice. That's it. You will make your doubles behind of that chain 4 on the last stitch of this 3 group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over. Come to second group. Not make on that chain 4. I need to make this, but behind of that, hold it like, insert my hook here and make 4 double on it. 1, 2, 3, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to middle space, make usual corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make 3 more in the same space. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget that. Yarn over. Make your doubles on that, but behind of that chain 4. Hold it like that. Insert last stitch and make here 3 double. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next, make on that, but hold it like that. Insert behind of that chain 4 on the last stitch of the 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And come to last space and make your usual corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and turn your work and do the same thing. Make here 3 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make your corner again. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 chains and make 3 more in the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next, not make chain 4, do it on that, but hold it like that because we need to make 3D effect. I insert my hook, but look at that. Insert my hook, last double. These 3 groups, last double here. Behind of that I will insert here and make 3 double on it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over. Come to next, not on that space, on this double. I insert my hook like that. Okay, behind of that chain 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next, not chain 4. Insert last stitch. Insert my hook behind of that chain 4. Take this stitch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And come to corner. Again, make your corner after between of these 3 corners. Always make your doubles on the last stitch behind of that, like that. If you hold it like that, it's more easy, like it. I will make it more bigger after turn to you. I grow it up a little. You can see this 3D effect. You can make it bigger. It looks more gorgeous, I think. You can see this 3D effect. you will make on your corner from the first space, middle space, and the last space. All the others, previous rows, third double crochet, you will make your doubles. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.